I'm Nico Verelst, I'm self-employed and I'm now hired by the company the Profel Group, and there I'm also involved in the digital transformation regarding everything of operations, so the implementation of an MES MOM system within Profel. Profel Group is a family company. They have two main business units, extrusion and finishing, for the extrusion of aluminium and PVC profiles, and then the windows and doors companies, where we create doors in PVC, wood and aluminium. Profel is very vertically integrated and they're proud of it, so everything is joined together under one roof, and in this way they get control over the complete process of the extrusion of profiles until delivering the doors and windows to the customer in the houses, so that everything is completed under one roof. Within Profel, we are running a digital transformation project over many years, and one of the topics was the digital transformation of the shop floor. With this one, we've done a complete selection program with a long list, a short list. DELMIA Apriso was on the short list, and then we have multiple interviews, workshops, demos provided. And at the end, DELMIA Apriso was the best project, best solution for Profel to implement within the company. The diversity and the scalability of DELMIA Apriso. DELMIA Apriso is a platform where you can configure everything you need just with the operator first strategy, so that we can build everything exactly for the operator as he needs his information and as he needs his procedures to be presented to him. So then, and that's a huge benefit from DELMIA Apriso, the configuration of it. Now they are guided regarding what they should do, how they should do it. They are involved, so they can also reject parts, they can do whatever is needed, and they can control themselves. So also the management is seeing what the actual operators are doing, and the first time right ratio is raised a lot with the implementation of the project. The shop floor people are very happy with the results. There was an interview with the operators from the shop floor, and they also agreed that it was 100% better as before, because now they were able to do their job, see what's happening exactly. They were guided what they should do, and so at the end it's a bit more work for registration and for scanning everything, because that was not needed before, but at the end they had a very good look about what was done exactly. So they were very happy and satisfied with the solution. I hope due to the vertical integration that we can extend all Apriso over the complete company, so that all work centers and departments are completely integrated with DELMIA Apriso. Definitely regarding operations, internal logistics, I hope we will have included completely. Quality, we take it in account already, and maybe the maintenance will also be a part of DELMIA Apriso at the end.